finally here, 4th of July weekend. And what are we going to be doing this weekend? We are going to be eating fireworks. Yes, we're going to be eating fireworks. Let's go try one out. We got these window flash firecrackers. I'm just kidding. Well, we are going to be eating something firework related. Firework Oreos. Let's go have a taste and nibble. Apparently these have pop rocks in the Oreos, so it'll make like a firework popping inside your mouth. So let's try one. Okay, that's just a wafer part. I didn't try the cream yet. I'm gonna try the cream. Not much popping action going on. I should be drinking milk with this. Oh, there we go. And there's a little bit of a popping sensation going on in my tongue. Alright, there you go, guys. Want to eat something patriotic? Try some firework Oreos for 4th of July. Now, let's get to the main focus of this video, as my mouth keeps popping. Excuse me. Anyway, today is July 1st, and we got a few more days left before 4th of July, but there's one holiday that our Canadian friends are now celebrating up there right now that has fireworks. It's Canada Day. It's 150 years of Canadian history going on up there, up north. So, today, hopefully, right now it's kind of windy outside, I'm looking at the trees moving around like crazy, that we might do a little bit of a celebration for our Canadian friends and to get us all warmed up for 4th of July. As well as that my channel has finally exceeded 4,000 subscribers and 2 million views. This is going to be one pretty decent celebration just before the 4th of July. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, here's what we got for tonight. I got the Rock the Boat assortment from Winda and the Roman candles that I've shown you in my stash video. As I've already preluded that I was going to be doing a little show with this assortment before 4th of July. And today, hopefully, will be the day. As you can see, we got the bottle rockets, the cakes, small cakes, fountains, some small artillery shells, and then, of course, the cutting edge Roman candles inside the mortar tube. And then I got the 3 Roman candles that came with the Rock the Boat assortment in the other mortar tube. I also threw in some firecrackers in there as well. I'm debating about doing other stuff, but for right now, this might be okay. I don't want to do too much before the 4th, and I don't want to cause too much attention. And I might try a different shoot site than usual, so to prevent any sort of confrontations. But first, we have to wait for the weather to clear up. Cloud Dragon. You know what these things do. And you'll also be shooting off a canister shell in the background. Not bad. Now I got these Roman candles. Ooh. Nice. different shooting site from where I'm used to. Try another Roman candle. These are cheap. All my good stuff's still at home. Comes another canister from the dude. Yeah, that's good. That was it for those Roman candles. Wait for it. Canister shell going off. Wow. I have a bunch of these bottle rockets all set up here. Silence my fireworks, I can hear his. Wow. Should have brought my echo in the ears tonight. That one was a dud. And watch this guy's canister shells. That's why I should have brought water. Too distracted from shooting my fireworks, I'm watching this guy shooting his. Got the 1-inch mini artillery shell by window. If I can light it. Not bad little break. Oh, here comes another canister shell. Wow. Shell number 3. Clear the debris. Load this one up. Those aren't bad artillery shells. They're too small though. No, it wasn't so good. What's the next one? Alright, I got a special guest here for you guys. I can't show his face on video, but I ran into him today and we happen to be living in the same city, ironically enough. Ask tell the YouTubers who you are.
What is up, Pyro fanatics? It's Pimpdaddee28 here. Just finishing up the canister shell comparison, and I ran into a fellow Ohio Pyro here, Airplane Kid 91, right?
95.
95. Wrong year.
It's okay. I get that a lot, you know. Yeah, I was shooting off some small fireworks here. I was testing a new location because I'm kind of worried about neighbors calling the cops on me from last year. And I'm not really sure if I should do this location because I've seen this guy's videos. He has a huge show here every year. I've seen all of his videos from the early days up until present. And in fact, I was filming some of his shells in my video while I was filming mine.
You should come for the 4th in this area right here. This
yeah, but
same location that I do every year.
Yeah, this is a classified location. I do not want to reveal that revealed in place.
Gotcha.
But anyway, I'm not really sure I'll be shooting any more pyro tonight. I have a whole assortment in my trunk. I got that Rock the Boat assortment from Window.
Same here. I got the Rock the Boat as well.
And I have the cutting edge Roman candles.
Yeah, those are pretty.
The assorted ones.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, I had those last year.
I was going to bring some canister shells myself, but I want to save all that stuff for the 4th.
Yeah, I'll definitely.
I was all nervous because one, I didn't see any activity over here except for that guy down the street. And then what was it? And then I was just about to leave, and then I saw somebody shooting off a canister shell, and I was like, oh, okay, I'll start shooting some stuff off.
Right,
and
that's a we're doing a comparison for that as well. There, AJ. Yeah.
What are those, mini artillery shells?
Yeah, I'm doing a mini artillery comparison.
Oh, okay.
This is from American Fireworks as well.
Oh, okay. So do you have any any issues with the police over here at all?
When you get close to the 4th, there really isn't much of an issue with that.
Yeah, because in my location,
yeah, everybody blows off a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, in my location, that's how it is too. Yeah. And the police were called on me last year, but one pesky neighbor. There's always one pesky neighbor.
Yeah, I know.
And I never got into any major trouble with them. And the cops never came last year. But my friends and I got all panicky. We had a good finale set up, and we were chopped off the finale. We were supposed to light 6 cakes at a time, and we only lit 2 at a time because we're all worried that somebody will be coming. And nobody came.
What y'all is that?
So.
I have no idea. What box to take out?
Well, I can't show them on camera.
Where you going? Where you
but
going? You stay by me. Stop using launch.
I'm just gonna be lighting some stuff here in a second.
Oh no, don't worry.
This guy is comrade here.
Stub those artillery shells. Down there.
Hey, I have the window ones. Whoa. Jeez, that thing had a loud lift to it. Yeah.
Is that the same one?
Yep.
Alright. Second stub nose artillery shell with Dominator.
Oh.
Not bad.
These things cost only like $1, $2.
$2? Well, I got this mini artillery shell from the Rock the Boat.
Oh, yeah, I got that as well.
Oh, okay.
Similar piece.
Yeah, the stub nose, yeah.
There you go. Yo, don't like that different.
Alright, I might bring a cake out or something to shoot off.
Alright, now?
Yeah. Alright, here's Kaleidoscope by Window from the Rock the Boat assortment. Not bad. That was a nice one. There's a car turning down the street. I'm gonna do some of these baby sunflowers. Small little aerial spinners. That was it. I must get rid of this whole box then. Yeah, the window one's mine. Yeah. Wish I had my crew here. My crew. Huh? Baby sunflowers. Oh, yeah, from the Rock the Boat. I got like 8 of them.
I haven't even looked at it yet. I probably was here tomorrow.
I might come back tomorrow. I'm not sure.
I'm gonna have to come back every day up until the 5th.
With your stash, I'm sure. It's the first time I'm actually lighting stuff before the 4th, except for my New Year's show. This one's a dud. That's not good. The fuse is still going. No. I still see it burning.
So you got the same lighter.
Oh yeah. I bought this at that department store.
Like Home Depot? Yeah, that's where I got mine.
Yeah, that's where I got mine. It saved me last year, that's for sure. Oh, that one's a little better. Yeah, this lighter saved me last year. My friends had those wind-resistant cheap lighters from Home Depot. They're like $6. And you saw it in my first video from a couple years ago. And it rained last year, and they left the lighters outside. And they got all wet. Let's get rid of some of these baby sunflowers while I'm at it. And I'll do more tomorrow. I also had to pick up this litter. Oh, another dud. Now you know, you got a precursor here for you when you light these off for your demos. The what assortment? Oh yeah. Oh, I got these junior cuckoos too.
Yeah. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.
I'll light these 2 off and then I'm out of here and then I'll come back tomorrow. What time are you guys gonna come?
Whenever it gets dark, right before it gets dark, more likely.
Yeah. Alright, let me move this a little bit further away. Sorry about the quality of the video, guys. This is what happens when you don't have your crew with you. Pimp Daddy has his. That's a pretty small little fountain. Here's the second cuckoo. I'm sure it has the same type of performance.
How much did you get that short?
I got it for about, I think $60.
If I were you, like
$60,
I said,
$50.
you want to count on Pyro Talk? You know how much you get it for? This is what I got it for. I got it for $28.60.
Oh yeah.
So they'll hook you up. Get on the website, introduce yourself, have a part, like, you know, get involved with the thread.
Yeah, I've been looking on that forum for many years.
Yeah, just join, man. You won't regret it. You'll get discounts that are just a lot better than what you're better off than paying now.
Yeah, I bought a couple more assortments. I'm not sure if you saw my stash video.
Have a good night. Thank you, man.
Bye, AJ.
See you tomorrow. Some more flowers. We're gonna bring you some flowers.
Yeah, I'm not sure if you saw my stash videos that I put up recently for this year. Fireworks Fun 2017 stash. But yeah, I got 2 assortments. Well, with the exception of the Rock the Boat. Hey, give me that 2, please.
That's just 2.
I still have 3 more mortars left.
Just 2.
I'll shoot those.
Because he has the same assortment we got. That's why.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot those off the rest of my assortment tomorrow because I was kind of nervous coming out here at first, so I didn't.
Like they passed by us. We were here 2 days ago.
The cops like.
I said hello to them.
If it's like within a week or 2 before the 4th, you're good.
Oh, okay. I mean, in my area, they don't care on the 4th where I shoot.
In my area, they care on the 4th.
They care on any day.
Oh yeah.
Dude, man, I got some of the worst neighbors, man. That's why I don't even bother letting any stuff rock.
I used to live literally down the street
from this park. I don't know how to say the name of it, but I used to literally live down here, and we used to take the freeway to my old location, and that location got nailed by the police. It was a huge location. Everybody was shooting off fireworks. It was larger than this. Alright, let me turn the camera off. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is Kid95 signing off. And I also got Pimpdaddee28 here.
Alright, see you guys next time.
Hell yeah, I might see him again tomorrow.